Hi, welcome back to Create to Miza. Today it's a recipe video. We are going to make mug cake for one. All you need is 3 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoon cocoa powder, 3 tablespoon milk, 2 tablespoon sugar, 1.5 tablespoon butter, 1.5 teaspoon coffee, 1 pinch of cinnamon, baking powder half teaspoon, baking soda half teaspoon, salt a pinch, vanilla half tablespoon. Just one point to remember that this cake is an emergency mug cake. You bake it, garnish it, and you enjoy it. You can't just leave it outside or in the fridge for a few hours because it will get hardened up pretty fast. So enjoy it as soon as it cools down after you garnish it. So let's get started. So in a microwavable bowl, take the milk, heat up for 1 minute. Add coffee powder, mix it very well without lumps. Cinnamon is optional. If you like it, you can add or else you can skip. Then pour this mixture into another container, set it aside. So in the same bowl, add butter, sugar, cream it nicely. Add vanilla essence, the coffee mixture, baking soda, baking powder, pinch of salt. Mix it very well. Add all-purpose flour and cocoa powder. Combine it well. As you know, this is an emergency mug cake, so everything happens on the same vessel. Clean up the sides and bake it for 2.5 minutes. So here it is ready to be enjoyed. You can have it just like this or you can pair it with ice cream or chocolate ganache. Please stay tuned for the chocolate ganache recipe. It's the easiest. Meet you soon with the next video. Until then, bye.